JavaScript is a programming language. It's used to make websites interactive. Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic. What is JavaScript? When you see things move on a web page, like buttons or animations, that's JavaScript. For example, when you click a button and a menu appears, that's JavaScript in action. It helps websites do more than just show text and images. JavaScript was created in 1995 by a guy named Brandon Each. It started as a simple language but has grown a lot. Now it's used for many things like web apps, mobile apps, and even games. JavaScript works with HTML and CSS. HTML gives structure to a web page, CSS makes it look nice, and JavaScript makes it interactive. Think of a car, HTML is the frame, CSS is the paint, and JavaScript is the engine that makes it run. JavaScript is easy to start with. You don't need any special software. You can write it right in your web browser. Here is a simple example. We can write a line of JavaScript to show a message on the screen. So here I am writing a line of JavaScript to show an alert message. See, it's simple but powerful. In this series, we will learn more about JavaScript. We will start with basics and go all the way to advanced topics. So, if you're excited to learn JavaScript, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.